Yeah, but I think that Bert made a baby.
Come on, Leah. Squeeze it out.